friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself Ajay from automationjockey.com. In this video tutorial, we will learn about Clipboard and Windows Action of Automation Anywhere. So let's begin.
Let me launch Automation Anywhere Enterprise client side. So here I'm using the evaluation version of Automation Anywhere client. So let me just let's start and let me skip this window and waiting for the main screen. Okay, here let me just go to the new and select Workbench. Okay, now the Workbench has been opened up. So let me just quickly go through the commands of Clipboard. The first we have is clear clipboard, then have assign to clipboard and assign from clipboard. To use them, let me create two variables. The first would be get clipboard. Save, yes. And the second I would create set clipboard. Save and yes. Okay, so now let me quickly add a comment so we have a better idea how we are proceeding. The first command we will use is clear clipboard. We type clear clipboard and click on save. Now let me drag the command clear clipboard, or we can do a double click. Okay, save. Now let me put on a message box so you can see the clipboard has been cleared, or it's an empty, it's a text way. Clipboard, let me press F2, scroll down and let me select system variable clipboard and click on insert and save. Now let me just copy this comment by Ctrl C and paste it here by Ctrl V. And the next command we will be using is assign to clipboard. So let me just type in a comment, assign to clipboard. All right, save. Now I will be doing a variable operation. So let me quickly go down and select variable operation. And I will assign to set clipboard. The value would be this. Oops, this is Automation Anywhere training. Let me click on save. Okay, now let me put on a message box. So I just simply copy and paste here. Right click, copy paste, or you can do from the keyboard, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now let me quickly add the command from clipboard, which is assigned to clipboard. Let me drag and drop. Okay, so here we can select a variable called set clipboard. Click on save. All right, so now let me move on with the next command, which is assign from clipboard. So I'm just doing a copy paste of the comment section and adding up a comment, assign from clipboard. Save. Let me just go down again and use the variable operations to initialize a variable with an empty string for get clipboard. All right. So now let me do a clipboard command and assign the variable of clipboard to a get clipboard variable that we have created. And let me copy the message box and paste it at the end of the line. All right, we are all set, I guess. Yeah. So let me give it a name. Sorry, save the task and let me give the name now, which would be 01 hyphen clipboard and demo. Save. All right, now let me just okay, the first command is clear clipboard, so I need a value in a clipboard that will write manually. So let me just open a notepad and let me type some text. I guess it would be this is one clipboard value for automation anywhere. All right, let me just do a right click and do a copy and minimize it. All right, let me just run the task now. Here the first message box is in clipboard, but the value is not shown because it's an empty. The first second line is clear clipboard, and now we have assigned a value to a variable, that is, and this is automation anywhere training. So the value has been assigned to clipboard, has been shown. Now moving on, the third message box is what we get from the clipboard, and we have displayed in the message box. So I hope that clear things up. All right, so now let us just move on with the next topic, which is Windows automation, Windows action, which are activate window, close window, maximize, minimize, restore, and get the current window title. So let me just create one more task here. Okay, let me create one variable here. It would be active window title. Click on save. Okay, now let me add a comment first. Before that, let me tell you, I will be using this window of as in demo, the notepad. Okay. Comment would be activate window. The first command we will be using here. Let me go down and select activate window, and from the drop down of the windows and select untitled notepad. Click on save, and let me add one more comment. I just simply copy and paste and drag and drop here. The second command would be maximize window. Okay, save the comment. Now let me just do a drag and drop of maximize window command and select the window title, untitled notepad, and let me just create this, copy this comment again, and this time it would be minimize window. All right, okay, so let me just drag and drop the minimize window command, select the window title, click on save. Now let me just do a copy paste of these two commands. It will save my time and yours as well. Okay, let me edit a command, and comment would be here resize window. Okay, let me just open this command, and here I will just select resize window. I want top left, I want window to be on the 10th pixel with a height of say 200, and from the left I would have positioned a 10 pixel and which would be 200 pixel. Click on save. Okay, now let me just add well, another command that would be close the window. Edit the comment. Comments are very important. It might look a waste of time, but in real world and real project, comments are very important. So make sure you comment everything you work with. Alright, close the window. I would like to close the same notepad, untitled notepad window. And let me just copy this command again. Okay, and this time I would like to get active window title. Click on save. Okay, I did the command, and whatever the active window would be, you will get its title in a variable called active window title. Alright, I want to add a message box to display what we get in the variable of active window title. So active window title, and press F2 and select variable and click on insert and save the message box. Let me save the task. Let me name by 02 hyphen window actions demo. Save. So what it will activate the window, then it will maximize, minimize, then it will resize the window in a particular position and a size. But before that, let me just activate the window again, just to make sure that whenever it resizes, it gets activated. Just a precautionary step. Alright, maximize, activate window, resize. It will close the window, and when you close the window, you get a confirmation message box, right? You have to close the window without saving, so we'll get that window title. Let me save and run. Okay, alright. We need to have a different window title, that is notepad, which is this message box. So let me just edit few tasks here. Let me click cancel, maximize a bit and minimize this window. Let me put a delay after the close. I would say there are three, like wait for window, wait for screen change, but let me put a static delay of 1 second. Save. Alright, let me just save the task and run again. Maximize, restore, and now you can see the active window title is a notepad, which is a pop-up from the notepad window, whether you want to save the changes or not. If you want to download this task, the link is available in the description. You can just go to the website and download it there. That's it for today's session. If you have any questions, you can write it down in the comment section below, and I will be happy to answer each and every one of you. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel. It really helps me to create more contents like this. So have a nice day. Thank you.